This is a guided meditation on cultivating resilience and overcoming obstacles. Find your way to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes or drop your gaze. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you breathe, begin to bring your attention inward. Feel your body softening, becoming more relaxed and grounded with each breath. Release any tension in your body. Notice the breath as it travels through your nostrils. Feel your chest expanding. Follow the breath from your belly to your chest and out of your nose. Feel yourself letting go of anything that is outside of this moment. During this meditation, we will focus on cultivating courage and inner strength for your journey. Now bring your awareness to a challenge or obstacle you are currently facing. It might be something big, something small, or a tiny distraction that is heavy on your mind. Scan your body from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. Identify where the energy connected to this obstacle has settled in your body. Maybe it's tension in your neck, shoulders, stomach. Maybe you feel strain in your eyes or heart space from holding back the flow of tears. Just notice where you are holding the emotion of the situation in your body. Allow yourself to acknowledge your feelings, to feel the pain or the difficulty of what you're going through without judgment. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine a soft, warm light surrounding this obstacle. This light represents your inner wisdom, your resilience, the strength that resides within you. Take a deep breath. Now imagine this light growing brighter with each breath. glowing and moving through the area of your body that is tense with emotion and stress. Continue to breathe. Feel the peace of knowing that your courage is larger than your fear. And connect the beautiful light of your inner strength with the part of your mind that knows you are resilient, that knows you are capable of overcoming any obstacle that stands in your way. With each breath, see the light of your confidence emanating from your solar plexus, glowing so bright that it eclipses any self-doubt or feeling of powerlessness. And allow your intuition, your gut instinct, to now be activated to assist you with this challenge. And now in this moment, repeat to yourself, I am strong. I am resilient. I have overcome many obstacles in the past. I have the power to overcome this challenge too. Take a deep breath in and exhale, allowing the truth of these words to solidify and settle in your heart and mind. Now, as you visualize the obstacle, feel no fear or worry, because you are strong and capable. Notice now that what seemed overwhelming is now more manageable. This obstacle cannot stop you because it has no real power over you. And now, as you fully stand in the light of your own courage, you can see the path forward, the way through, the way back to the power and perseverance that lives within you. Now imagine yourself walking forward on your path, with the obstacle behind you, the road ahead is open, clear, and filled with new possibilities. You are ready for the journey. You feel lighter and more confident than ever. Bask in the glow of this accomplishment now. You are highly capable. You have overcome challenges before and will continue to do so with grace, grit, and resilience. Now, slowly start to bring your body back to conscious awareness. And gently open your eyes. And know that you have the inner ability, the intelligence, and the strength to navigate any challenge that comes your way. And so it is.